Welcome to Mixer Minute by Supreme International. Today, we will talk about the Segue4S pull-type feed processor, the same size and design as our 400 Supreme model. The Segue line is built by Supreme in our Alberta factory with the same expectations for quality and performance as our Supreme processors. 60 PTO horsepower is required to run this unit. The 540 RPM driveline runs a heavy-duty Comer planetary. Our patented vertical cutting auger is made with AR200 auger flighting and has 4 4-inch cutting blades. The tub walls are made with 1/4-inch 44W high-carbon mild steel. The side door can be installed on the right-hand or left-hand side of the tub with fixed chute and conveyor options available. Drop chute magnet options are also available. This unit has our optional Supreme heavy-duty hitch with the cast clevis hitch standard. The maximum payload is 10,000 pounds. Our heavy-duty tubular frame supports the 3-weight bar scale system to provide accurate weights. Dynamic Generali and Digistar systems and remote displays are available. There you have it. This processor is a great entry-level processor that is built to last. You won't believe the value and performance of the Segue4S. Thank you for joining us for a Mixer Minute.